Hey, I'm Fish. Yeah, we're going out. I gotta do a couple of things, take care of beeswax, and get this thing going. Hey, don't forget somewhere down there, or is it over there? Don't forget to hit the like button, helps the algorithm of the channel. Support the channel, and all that good stuff. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. Now that we got all the formalities out of the way, let's get on going. Beautiful sunrise it is. Well, I accomplished my project, put it all back together, and hopefully everything will be just fine. I gotta go get some of that, what is it, baking soda, so it absorbs the smell, gets the oomph out of the air, all that good stuff. Easy to pump up your raft by setting up. Well, I did what I had to do, got what I had to get, and got it out of here. Oh man, I thought I was in the beach. I was in Bug Haven instead. All the gnats by the beach. Well, I'm gonna wrap this up by the house and finish up my review. Did a nice job for it. I gotta drive carefully because the trunk is open. As you can see in the back there, it is tied down, so this way I don't go up and down too hard. Oh, I'm sorry if you hear the air conditioner going. I'm trying to freeze those gnats out. Well, it's time for the fish to go meet up with Joe. Oh, he is needed today. Yeah, man. No notes. Get the things done I need to get doing and get on going. Well, I am Fish. I hope to see you on the next video. I got some stuff to get done, get editing done. Yeah, Wondershare Filmora 14. You're the best, man. I like DaVinci Resolve. I like Magix. I like Cyberlink. I like CapCut. I like any editor. At least I could get my editing done. Have a great day.